Hey guys, it's Stasia here and I'm back again with another one. Now today's look is serving, y'all, to me this look is just so bomb. Like, excuse me if you hear any noise in the background. But anyway, yeah, excuse me if you hear any noise in the background. I'm gonna try to get through this intro and outro quick, okay? So anyway, yes, welcome back to my channel. I thank you guys so very much for returning. So anyway, yes, this look today is giving me, you know, all-purpose vibes. Like, this is a bomb look that you could use if you're going on a date night with your boo zaddy, baby zaddy, all of that. Okay, I can't be ratchet because I look too classy in this video. Okay, so anyway, yeah, so you can go on a nice date with this look right here. You can go out with your girlfriends, you know, like just chill, movie night, out to a nice restaurant, pretty much anything. Like, I would even wear this look in the daytime, like if I was going to brunch or something like that. And this hair is to die for. This is my WetnWild unit. Again, I reinstalled it. I did not use any freeze spray or any of that. I just went ahead and curled it with my, I put it away, but my 2-inch Hot Tools curling barrel. But anyway, yeah, curling iron. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking, running my mouth, and I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and get into this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, thank y'all. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already have my brows completed, which I do plan on giving you guys an updated brow routine because I did switch it up just a little bit, like just a little bit. But yeah, so anyway, this video right here was going to be, I was going to do a voiceover through the whole thing and just like a talk and teach type thing, but it's like, I don't know, I just feel like this is like my everyday makeup routine. It's just always the same. So yeah, what I will do though is I will list down below in the description box all of the products. Please y'all excuse me because I know I sound about dumb as hell. I'm tired. It's 5 a.m. or whatever the case may be, y'all. So please bear with me. Anyway, I'm going to list everything in the description box, all the products that I use, including everything that I use for my eyebrows as well. But like I said, I will be doing an updated tutorial for my eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm going to leave all that information in the description box for you guys. This hair again is from WetnWild, so please go check them out. This is their 360 Lace Frontal Wig. Is body wave in Brazilian hair, and it was 20 inches long. But yeah, so that's about it, you guys. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my this, what is this, my hot comb, y'all. Cause I think of it, it ain't even hot yet. But anyway, I'm about to take it, and I ain't even got it plugged in yet, talking about it ain't even hot. Anyway, yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little mini makeup tutorial. If you did, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Y'all, how y'all like me with black nails, by the way? Because I don't know, I don't wear too dark, I don't really like dark colors on me. But you know, when you get the powder on your nails or whatever, whether it's ombre or anything like that, if you don't get a light color, you have to get something darker than that. Anyway, y'all know I just had gray. Y'all can still see it underneath. I just had the gray, matte gray on my nails. So I go to the nail salon. This is just like a sidebar. So I go to the nail salon. I'm thinking, oh yeah, I'm about to give me some nude. I'm about to give me some glitter. I'm just thinking I'm about to do it up, okay? So my nail tech, Brittany, she stopped me like, whoa, no, honey. If you get powder, you have to, you know how it is, you gotta get something darker, because if not, it's gonna show, you know, it's like the gray is gonna show through. So I'm like, okay, well, let's try this then. I kept, y'all, I was getting on her nerves. I'm like, well, let's just try this, let's just try this. She like, listen, I'm not being mean. But yeah, she like, so the only way it won't show through is if it's darker than the gray. So this dark gray that I had on my nails, like, what else? So she like, just get black. And I'm like, and I was literally on the phone with my best friend at the nail salon, and she like, son, you should get black. And I'm like, oh, talking mad junk. Oh, talking mad trash. No, I'm not, I don't like black. Just for me to end up with black. So that's just a little side story or whatever, just to tell y'all. But I mean, I think it's growing on me a little bit. Probably if they were shorter, I don't think that I would have liked them or whatever. But for this length right here, I don't think that it's bad. I don't know, what y'all think? But yeah, I know that was mad random. But yeah, so anyway, I thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Love y'all.